Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit and update your Snapchat story. So let's start. First, open the Snapchat app. Go to your profile from top left corner. On your profile there's a section named Stories. And you'll see all your live stories here. Now tap on the three dots besides My Story. And here you will see few options. If you want to add a story, of the screen, tap on Add to Story and your camera will open up. You can add a story from here. You'll be able to see the comment. And here you can see Autosave Memories is turned on. If you don't want your memories to be saved, then disable Autosave Memories. You can also save your stories from here by simply tapping on Save Story and tap Yes for confirmation. And your stories will be saved. Now if you tap on Story Settings, you'll be able to set your audience. Now tap Done. Now tap on your story. Here, if you swipe up, you'll be able to see who has viewed your stories. At the bottom left corner, you'll see two options. You can save your story to your phone from here. You can also delete your story. At the bottom right corner, you have the option to resend your story. And if you tap on the three dots on top right corner, you'll see the options like before. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.